In this video, I just want to show you something really cool I did with AI. I'm recording this video right after my layers overview video, which dragged on a little bit and was a little bit dry, boring. Perhaps helpful, but yeah, not as fun or interesting as this one will be, and this one will hopefully go a lot quicker. So just to explain, I'm doing these elevations to kind of test out the new standards I'm working on. And my print, it looks really good at least in regards to what I'm trying to achieve, but it is 2D AutoCAD and it does look very plain and flat. So I wanted to see if I could make it just pop out a little bit, make it look more 3D, add more depth. So I took a screen clip, sent it to AI, and I just gave AI a simple prompt. See if you can add shadows to my image, but don't change anything else. And sure enough, it did a really good job, I think. It kind of missed the mark a little bit on this shadow. Seems to think this is a solid wall. It did get the post right though. It did a really good job on the railings. I like how it darkened this structure in the back here. But yeah, overall, maybe this shadow too is a little bit too dense. But overall, just for a quick prompt, and this was the first prompt I sent to it, it did a really good job, and most importantly, it kept everything the same size. Now, you can manually add shadows to projects. That's why I got this hatch ready. I'm going to do a match properties. I'm going to show you how you might add shadows manually. I don't recommend this, but if you are good at figuring out what the shadow will look like, you can do this fairly quickly on simple structures. Let's see if I can fix that. Yeah, so even just creating a quick shadow, it looks passable, it looks okay, but it did take me a few seconds to generate that, of course. It looks very similar to the AI shadow. Now, you're not out of your mind if you attempt that, especially for these simple gable roofs, but when you get to stuff like this, the post, and especially the railings, you'll lose your mind trying to recreate this, the railing shadow being cast on the stairs. all I can say is good luck if you do attempt that. I'd be very impressed if you are able to resolve that. But I think if we're arguing for a use case of AutoCAD in 2026, if you're manually doing up the shadows, that might be a sign that you might want to move into 3D. And it's not always practical to 3D model a project when you got a client on a budget. What I'm developing here is, of course, for fairly simple drawings where I don't think the client's going to want to pay for all that extra work. But if I can generate elevations with shadows instantly, there's definitely going to be value in doing that. So yeah, this first experiment has turned out fairly good. I'm just going to overlay it just to verify that everything is in fact the same size. The reason I mention that is probably 1 year ago, if I asked AI to do this, it would just make a mess of my drawing. I'd say add shadows, but don't change anything else. And sure enough, it would move things around. It would change the shape of the house. It would add windows, change doors. But no, it's done a really good job of just maintaining the image exactly how I had it. And there's hardly any changes at all. Even the draw order on my railings messed up here a little bit, right? I'd rather that thicker line be in front, but it even brought my flaws along with it. So yeah, those little details are interesting. But yeah, all I wanted to do is quickly share this and see your guys' thoughts on adding AI and little bits and pieces to your workflow. But other than that, I'm just going to say thanks very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.